Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today our topic is how you can use free of cost Chat GPT on your PC. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Computer Geeks. So today our topic is Chat GPT. This is official with unlimited queries and you can use on your PC. This is official website. I will copy this link. Go to your web browser. This is official ChatGPT website. You need to go to get started. So this is sign up page. You can start here from your email or you can continue with Google or Microsoft account. So I will go for Google Gmail address. So multiple options. You can go for API. I will go for Chat GPT. So here is the now chat is opened. Okay. Two options, Chat GPT 3.5 and Chat GPT 4. This is paid. You can get paid and get advanced version. I'll go for Chat GPT 3.5. Here are multiple options. Here you can type a message. Hi chatbot. Tell me about Wolf. So guys, this is Chat GPT menu, new chat. Here are options for you. And this is update to get ChatGPT 4 plus. So in this way you can get ChatGPT free of cost on your PC. Thanks guys for watching and learning.